So we're using 100 grams of yarns and 8mm hook. To begin, make a knot. Pull tight and pull. Chain 50. 1, 2, 3. I meet you once I reach 50. 49, 50. So I have here chain of 50. So this is about 20 inches long. And now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So insert your hook under the, get a yarn, insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook. Get a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, get a yarn, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. Get a yarn, pull through all the loops. And that's our second double crochet. Chain of 3 is our first double crochet, and this is our second double crochet. Just repeat that in the next stitch. Get a yarn, insert your hook, get a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, get a yarn and pull through 2 loops, get a yarn, pull through the rest of the loops, and repeat this all the way down. Total of 52 double crochet. So this is my last double crochet, 51. A total of 51 double crochet. And now in the round 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 to begin round 3, and turn your work around. So get a yarn, insert your hook in the first stitch you find in the back loop only. So this is back loop and this is front loop. Back loop, front loop. So insert your hook in the back loop, get a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, get a yarn, pull through 2 loops only, 2 yarn left in the hook, get a yarn, pull through the rest of the loops from the hook. That is our first double crochet in the back loop only. So repeat that. Get a yarn, insert your hook in the next stitch in the back loop only. This, get a yarn, 3 loops in the hook, get a yarn, pull through 2 loops, get a yarn, pull through 2 loops, and repeat that all the way down. Total of 51 double crochet in the back loop only. 4, 5, 6, and 51 in my last stitch in the back loop only. That's my last stitch. 51 in total. Round 4, you're going to repeat round 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work around and get a yarn, insert your hook in the first stitch you find in the back loop only. Here. Total of 51 double crochet in the back loop only. And you're gonna repeat this round 3 until you reach round 9. So I will meet you there once I'm done with the round 9. I just want to show you that chain 3 is including in our count. total of 51 double crochet in each row. So I am in my last stitch. Make a double crochet in the back loop only, and I have here 9 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So chain 1, and this is about 8 inches. So 8 inches long and 23 inches wide. So we have here chain 1, and you're going to fold it to connect the two of these together. Okay. So to connect that, insert your hook on the third chain. 1 2 3, just on the third chain of this double crochet, and insert your hook in the chain 1 we made. Pull in and make a chain 1. Okay, and in the first double crochet we're going to insert our hook again, and in this double crochet we're going to insert our hook, pull in and make a single crochet. Get a yarn, pull 2 loops in the hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, and insert your hook in the next stitch here, and grab a yarn and make double crochet. So insert your hook in the next double crochet, and as well as in the other side, insert your hook in the double crochet, get a yarn and make a single crochet. And in this one, insert your hook in the same double crochet and insert your hook, and in the other side insert your hook in the other side, just insert your hook in this double crochet and grab a yarn and make a single crochet. And this is how it look like. So in the next one, so insert your hook. So I just try to put 1 single crochet here, 2 single crochet in the double crochet, 1 single crochet in the middle, and 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, and just repeat it all the way down. make us 2 single crochet, 1, and I prefer 2, chain 1, pull tight, cut the yarn. So make a knot, 1 and 2, do one more, 3, and just pull this one in using the small hook so it is easier to grab. And this one also, just try to hide them so it is clean looking, like this, and just cut them right after. Okay, and this is how it look like. Cute. So let's try to look that in the other side. See, this is the stitches, the back and the front. Cute. And now let's try to put that in the measure. It's like 11 inches, a finished item. And as usual, of course, 8 inches long.